Second call for competitors in Pro Stock. Number 224, Sai Prabhu. Number 225.
सुबह की क्राइंग करके ट्रॉफी लिया
Competition number 224, Sai Prabhu. Competition number 225, Gokula Krishnan. Pro Stock Indian Diesel, above 2800 cc, up to 3100 cc. Ramesh Khan. Competition number 171, Rahul Das, and 173 meters to assemble in the paddock immediately. Number 205, Vetri. Number 186, 197, Aditya, and 198, Balaji Mohan.
Okay. Uncle also is here. I'll give it to you. Don't worry, yaar. सुबह की क्राइंग करके ट्रॉफी लिया अबे घर पे एक विंडो प्लस ट्रॉफी अबे घर करेंगे ऐसा जैसे साइड तो
My name is Hari Singh and I'm head of operations for Jk Tyre Motorsport. This is an event, it's part of the national championship, the Jk Tyre Drag Racing Championship. We're great to see that so many cars are participating in this new championship. We have entries from all over the region, from Hyderabad, Bangalore, local entries, and we have different categories between from the two-wheeler onwards to the four-wheeler categories. In the two-wheeler categories, we have starting from 100cc bikes and going up to 1000cc plus the superbike category. And then in the cars, we also have right from the 1000cc category going up to the open category, which is the unrestricted, where we have the GTRs and the RS8s and all these cars which are used for drag racing around the world, literally in the open category.
From Tamil Nadu, how many participants?
Basically, it's the main participants is locally from Coimbatore, and then we have from Bangalore and Hyderabad. These are the three places where we have the maximum entries from. There's some come from Kerala as well. So mainly concentrating on this at the moment here.
How many can you give the numbers?
I don't have the numbers right now. Can we check that? You interview Mr. JB, who's the COC, and then he will give you. Huh? Okay, I didn't get him.